Hi guys, welcome to Short No Life. So in today's video, we are actually testing out a new brand for me. This is going to be a nail reserve video. They are a vegan company. They are nine free and they are cruelty free. And I'm so excited to test these out and share my opinion with you guys today. So they did send over a base and a top coat that I will be using in today's video. It looks like this. And then they also sent over 5 colors. The first color is called Pool Party. This is a really beautiful blue. Then the next color up is called Malibu, and it's a beautiful purple. I love this color. I think it is so pretty. I definitely want to wear this soon. I love purple. That is my favorite color. Then next up, I got Royal Green. I don't know if you noticed it, but I did get a color from the rainbow. I got one color from each color of the rainbow because I really wanted to try a variety of colors, and I really wanted to have like a bunch of options to do with today's set. Then this is Electric Red. It is actually not a red. It is a hot pink, but it is still so beautiful, so bright. I recommend this color if you're looking for a hot pink because it is bright. My camera couldn't even pick up how bright it was. And then this one is called the Girl Code. It has a beautiful shimmer in there. I thought that was so pretty. I definitely will be using this a lot. I love shimmery colors, especially for backgrounds when you're doing a glitter nail. And then the last color up is Juicy Mango. I 100% recommend this color. I love bright colors, and this is so bright. I don't feel like the camera does it justice either. So yeah, definitely check these colors out and check out Nail Reserve. And there will be a 50% off coupon code down in the description box, along with a link that you could take. You do have to purchase 2 in order to get the code applied. I just want to make sure I mention that. But yeah, I do recommend these polishes, and I'll talk more about that in a second. I just want to say I used that tape to adhere these to the stands today, and I did buff the nail tips. And now I'm just going to take the base coat and I'm going to apply it to all 5 nails. So my thoughts are, I actually love this brand. If you saw, I did one coat, well, one swatch, I guess, of this base, and it's going on all 5 nails. Usually I have a problem with the nails feeling dry and I end up putting extra like polish on there. I didn't feel that way at all with these nail tips. Before I keep going on, I'm going to take this Royal Green and I'm going to put it on this nail, but I did go ahead and I did the base color for the rest of the nails off camera because I didn't have a nude for them, and I wanted this video to be dedicated to this brand. So as you can see, that first coat was very opaque. The second coat still opaque. So yeah, it is a very opaque polish. And then I did top coat it because I didn't want to mess it up. This top coat does have a tacky layer. I believe they do have a no wipe top coat, but this one does have a tacky layer, so I do wipe off every nail that I put the top coat on. And this is me just wiping off the tacky layer from every nail with some alcohol. Like I was saying earlier, I love this brand. I felt like it was so simple, so easy to use. And sometimes people ask, why do you want to spend a little bit more money on polishes? And this is the reason. It's simple. It goes down in one coat. It's smoother, and it's less work, to be honest. So yeah, that would be the reason why you spend a little bit more on nail polish, because it is so easy to use. And if you use my code, it is super affordable. So definitely check out the code down below and the link down below. So as you saw, I am using this foil. I did put some foil glue on there. My foil glue is old, so old. So yeah, I need to replace that, but I'm trying the best that I can to get this to adhere to the nail. And I actually ended up doing something a little weird, but I feel like it worked in my favor. So I did top coat this, and I just could not leave this nail like this because I was gonna bling it on top of it as well to kind of disguise all the mess ups. But what I did was I ended up taking that Electric Red and I took the Royal Green and I put it on my palette, and I just took my striper brush and I just, wherever there was green, I kind of filled it in with that Royal Green. I did not expect this to work, and you saw me top coat it, so this didn't even slip even with the top coat. I told you this has a tacky layer, so I felt like that kind of worked in my favor this time because I didn't expect this to work, so I didn't mat it out. But if you were to do it, I definitely recommend matting this out so it wouldn't slip all over the place, but this one didn't with this top coat. And then I also added that electric red in the middle. This blended so well with this foil. Like I said, I did not expect this to work. I thought it was going to be so noticeable. That's why I didn't kind of put the matte and all that on there. But yeah, this worked so well. I'm super happy with the way that turned out. So off camera, I decided to do the thumb to see if I liked it. I didn't. I didn't like the curve. So I was like, okay, I'll turn that curve and I'll make these straight lines. And that's exactly what I did. I am definitely going to I'm going to do another design using these colors because this is not my favorite design, I'm gonna be honest. But you guys know I show you everything. I like to show you even the designs I hate, because you guys give great advice and you definitely tell me ways that I can improve the design. But yeah, it's just this nail, like the thumb, pointer, and pinky. I did the same design. Those were the only two nails I just wasn't in love with. But there's nothing wrong with them, but they're just not my favorite. And some of my green lines are a little crooked. I'm going to be honest and say that. I tried to do it off camera as well, but some kind of way my fingers just kept getting in the way. So I did go ahead and I blinged them up because bling makes everything better. And if you're curious, I use the 8, and then I believe this is a 5, and then I go down to a 3. And then I do add caviar beads all around the bling. And like I said, I did do this on the pinky as well, but I didn't show it on the pinky because it was super repetitive and it's the same process. And then on the thumb, the ring, I just blinged it out. And I love the way this turned out. I did add a couple more stones off camera, but this charm is upside down, just in case you noticed it. I just thought it was pretty upside down, so that's what I did. And now I'm just top coating everything, and this nail really did come together. And this kind of was what I based my whole nail design off of because I really wanted to use this foil. I've been wanting to use it since I've got it, but I have not thought of a single idea of how to use it. So I'm so happy I got to use it in today's video. I would definitely change out the pinky and the thumb and the pointer, like I said, but everything else I thought was super beautiful. And I am top coating around the charms, and I do go over the caviar beads. And this is the results. Let me know what you guys think of this nail design, if you would change it, if you would add to it. Like, let me know how you guys would do this design. I also want to say thank you very much to Nail Reserve for sending out these polishes. I really enjoyed using them. And again, if you guys want to check them out, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you for joining me. I do new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.